Are you ready for the ultimate thrill? Imagine walking on air, thousands of feet up, with nothing but a sheet of glass between you and the great unknown. Sounds like a recipe for a heart attack, right? Welcome to the world's highest glass bridge, folks. This ain't your grandma's bridge, unless your grandma's into extreme sports and heart-stopping thrills. This transparent terror inducer will have you shaking in your feet, and the special effects? Forget about it. It's like the glass is shattering beneath your feet and you're just standing there freezing like a deer in the headlights. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this thing safe? Well, let me tell you, it's built like a tank. But here's the thing. China's been crushing it in the tourism department, and this bridge is just the tip of the iceberg. I mean, have you seen the pics of the Shanghai skyline? It's like something out of Blade Runner. And let's talk about development. China's been growing like a weed. While the US has been preparing, let's just say we've been keeping it real, keeping it slow. But seriously, China's invested heavily in its tourism infrastructure, and it's paying off big time. I mean, who wouldn't want to visit a country with ancient history, stunning landscapes, and some of the craziest, most innovative architecture on the planet? So, thrill seekers, are you ready to face your fears and test your courage? Come on down to China and take the leap, or should I say take the bridge. And don't worry, if you do happen to freak out, there's always the option to take a deep breath, calm down, and enjoy the view from the safety of solid ground.